We learned 8th point, children. Am I right? 8th point, right?
Sir.
How cash flow statement is prepared. This one cash flow statement is prepared. ஒரு lengthy topic தான். அது ஒவ்வொரு ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராசஸும் டீடைலா படிக்கணும். நிறைய ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதால அதுக்கு ஒரு பேர்ட்ஸ் ஐ வியூ, ஒரு சுமார் ஒரு ஐடியா உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சால் ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டெப்பும் உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். அதால ஒரு ஓவரால் ஐடியா போட்டிருக்கு. How cash flow is prepared. Several steps are there. எத்தனை ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் அதோட பேசிக் கான்செப்ட் என்னது? வாட் இஸ் த பேசிக் கான்செப்ட் பிஹைண்ட் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஆஃப் கேஷ் ஃப்ளோ ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்? ஃபார் தட் we should have a rough idea. இதுல ஒரு rough idea மட்டும் தான் போட்டிருக்கு. Format is not like this. Students, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The format of cash flow statement is not like this exactly. Why I am presenting in this way? You should have an overall idea. If you are having an overall idea, learning the format systematic way will be very easy. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. In the initial stage, if I am saying each and every step in detail, you will not understand. I am deviating from the usual method because when number of steps are more, automatically everybody will be confused. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
That will be difficult to understand. If you are learning according to the textbook, it will take more time. But we are following the textbook only. Detail போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு சுமார் ஒரு ஐடியா. Cash flow are from 3 types of activities we learn. What are those three activities, children? Operating activities. சொல்லுங்கள்.
Investing activities, financing activities.
Yes, correct. In each and every activities, there are 3 things. These are basic concept of cash flow statement. Other 3 things: inflow irkum, outflow irkum, net effect irkum. Net effect. That net effect can be cash flow from or cash used in. If it is an operating activity, we will take operating activities. Same, are you understanding this way? Your parents give you 5,100. Do you remember that example? You spend 4,700. Net effect eவ்வளோ?
Yes, sir.
Same only. So we want to learn. Yes, we want to learn in an easy style. Very lengthy topic. I will make it just like a chocolate. Don't worry. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, don't worry.
Yes,
It's a very lengthy topic, but you will learn so fast in a relaxing mood with maximum enjoyment. Don't worry about it. Same concept only we are following. You got 5,100, you spend 4,700. Okay, at last you have 400. Sir, in the example. Suppose you got 5,100, you spent. How much you spend here? For notebook, you spend 1,200. For birthday dress, you spend 4,500. Total, how much, children? How much you spend?
5,700.
700, sir.
That means for the difference you bought from the teacher or from the friends or from the school, you bought something. You arranged some money from somewhere, right or not? Minus
Yes,
balance. How much is a minus balance here?
600, sir.
600.
Hello?
600, sir.
600. Very good.
100.
Okay. 600. So there is no balance. We will refer in accountancy, especially in this chapter, we will refer that condition cash used. That means he used others' cash. You used others' cash. When you are forced to spend more, you used others' cash. So we will not say closing balance of cash. Net effect, what we will say? What we will say? Cash used. Are you understanding, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Meaning
sir.
is very simple. You used others' cash. How much others' cash you used? You used
600 rupees. 600.
Same concept only. Here we are 3 persons. Okay, one person operating activity. The other person. So we should have patience. This is a lengthy chapter only. It's not possible to learn in 1 or 2 days or 1 week. It will take time. 100% chance. Question will be there is no question paper without this chapter. Okay, be careful. So there are 3 persons we know. One person's name, operating activity. What is other person's name?
Investing activities.
Investing activities.
Yes. Please write along with me. Time is very limited. You know, it is online class. We cannot not for everything. Very, very limited time. Invest. Please write along with me. Time activities. Okay, cash flow from investing activities. Suppose there also this is one person, this is another person. Okay, a small break for explaining this once again. There are 3 persons. Now I explain 2 persons only. One person, you, Mr. A or Miss A, 600 rupees. And the Madri, another person, B. Suppose this is Indu and this is Neha. Neha got 5,000 from somebody. Somebody can be related, friends, relatives, parents, teachers. Okay, and Neha spent 4,000. How much is the money in the hands of Neha?
1,000, sir.
1,000.
Same concept only, children. Don't worry. We should not even think that it is complicated. Very lengthy chapter. So here this is Indu. Indu arranged 600 from Neha. Am I right or not?
Neha.
Okay. Neha is having
Yes, sir.
1,000. But from the 1,000, 600 is given to Indu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When we are
Yes, sir.
calculating how much is the cash in the hands of Indu and Neha, what will be your answer, children?
Sir, Neha 400, sir. Indu no cash.
You understand the question? I am asking a question like this. How much is the cash available? Taking together. Combining the cash balance of
400, sir.
very good. Who told that answer?
Myself, Indu, sir.
Okay, congratulations. So combining 2 girls, how much is the cash? 400. That only we are learning in cash flow statement, children. Is it very difficult to understand in this way?
No, sir.
This is a concept, my dear friends. Nothing to worry. Seri. This is Indu, this is Neha, this Kanishka. So what is the third category? Do you remember? Cash flow from?
Financing activities.
Sir,
in investing activities, you have given operating activities, sir. Influencing operating activities.
Another?
Sir, inflow in investing activities, no, sir,
So
but
that
it's still
subheading,
operating.
subheading, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for noticing. Thank you once again. It should be invested. Here. You're also investing. So net effect also investing. சரி, இந்த மாதிரி இது வந்து cash flow from finance. இது வந்து கனிஷ்கா. Finance. எல்லாமே finance. Net effect also finance. சரி. கனிஷ்கா. கனிஷ்கா வந்து அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு 10,000 இருக்கு. கனிஷ்கா வந்து 13,000 ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. Naturally, how much will be the, what is the condition of our maid dear Kanishka? What is the condition? She is crying or laughing? She is smiling or crying?
Crying.
Crying.
Crying,
Because
sir.
minus balance. How much is minus balance?
3,000.
Minus 3,000. Seri. இன்னொரு logical question. See, logical question. I am asking the question to Kanishka. She is not saying, I will ask other student. Kanishka, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So, this is a condition, Kanishka. Indu spent 600 more by arranging money from other girls. Other girls are Neha and Kanishka. Okay. So, screen is disappearing. Okay. Condition of Neha 1,000 balance. Condition of Kanishka 3,000. Question to Kanishka: what is the net effect by combining the condition of these three girls? Kanishka, can you say the answer? Plus or minus?
Minus
எவ்வளவுமா மைனஸ்?
$2,400, sir.
Yes, correct answer.
1,400, sir.
அங்க பாரு ஒரு மைனஸ் 600, இங்க வந்து ஒரு 1,000, இங்க வந்து minus 3,000. அப்போ நெட் எஃபெக்ட் எவ்வளோ? Is 3 figure.
1,400 only, sir. 2,000, sir. Sorry, sir. 2,400, sir.
Sorry, Sarah. Okay, Sarah. 1,000, 1,400. Give me one answer. I will listen.
2,400, sir.
2,400. 2 minus total எவ்வளோ? 3,600 தானே? Minus total 3,600. Plus total எவ்வளோ?
1,000, sir.
1,000. Minus total 3,600. Plus total 1,000. Net effect எவ்வளோ? 2,000. How much?
600, sir.
600. அப்ப 2,600 எவரு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. See, Indu arranged cash from Neha, we can understand. From where Kanishka arranged the cash. Adan we are almost reaching to the main concept of this chapter, cash flow statement. Slowly, it will take time. Such a lengthy chapter, very, say, okay, we should not use the word difficult, very easy only. Okay. எங்க அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு? எவ்வளவு மைனஸ் வந்திருக்கமா? 2,000?
600, sir.
That 2,600 net effect of these three girls. So that is a heading D. Heading D. D another net effect of A. Children, you write along with me. Very limited time. A plus B plus C. Euro 3. You only told the answer. No, 3,000. 2,000. 2,600 minus. That's a net effect. You agree with me? Yes, no, leave it all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 20% of the concept is over. அப்ப இது எங்க அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு? It's not possible to spend for Kanishka without arranging from somebody. From whom she arranged? Answer is very simple. Okay, they are studying in SKV school. They arranged from Suresh sir, office in charge. Loan மாதிரி. புரியுதா? எங்க அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு? From office. From whom? Suresh sir. அதுக்கு ஒரு பேரு ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ். என்னது?
Opening balance.
Opening balance. So when we are starting a business, it is quite common that there will be there will be cash in our hand. With the empty hand, it is not difficult to start any kind of business in this world. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
அந்த மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோரி மாதிரி கதையெல்லாம் சொல்லி சிம்பிள் எக்ஸாம்பிள் எல்லாம் எடுத்து ஒரு சிம்பிளா படிக்கணும். எல்லாம் இருந்தா கஷ்டம். சாப்டர் வந்து ரொம்ப லெங்தியா சாப்டர். opening balance of cash. So when you are typing cash, don't stop after typing cash. Even though we are saying cash, what is the full form? Cash and you'll understand, right?
Cash equivalent.
Always say cash and cash equivalent. இது வந்து 17,000. Example தானே 17,000. Now, how many persons are there? Indu is there, Neha is there, Kanishka is there, Suresh sir is also there. Now I am asking the last question in this topic. எல்லாரோட கேஷும் கண்டிஷனும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி நெட் எஃபெக்ட் எவ்வளவு? If you tell the answer, that concept is understood. What is a net effect? Now 4 persons. Indu minus 600. Neha 1,000 plus. Kanishka minus 3,000. Suresh sir 17,000. You arranged money from Suresh sir. Kanishka might have arranged. கண்டிப்பா அவர்ல சுரேஷ் சார் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிருக்கு. இல்லாம இருந்தா அது எப்படி ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும்? காமன் சென்ஸ். Kanishka, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? Okay. Correct. Now, by mixing the financial condition of these 4 persons, what is the net condition, net effect?
Sir, 14,400, sir.
14,400 plus or minus a cash balance minus வராது.
Plus.
Cash balance எப்போதுமே plus தான் வரும். அப்ப 14,400. So this is a condition after mixing how many persons?
4
many
persons.
4 persons. Who are those persons? Do you remember? Indu. Number 2.
Neha.
Kanishka.
Suresh sir. அப்ப சுரேஷ் சாரோட கேஷ்க்கு ஒரு பேர் கொடுத்திருக்கு ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ். அப்ப எல்லாரோட கேஷும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு எஃபெக்ட் வந்திருக்கு. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸ் ஆஃப் கேஷ் அண்ட் கேஷ் ஈக்குவலன்ட். Students, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
This is a concept, but steps are in detail. Don't think that we can calculate so easily like this. This is a concept. If you understood this concept, remaining things எல்லாமே chocolate மாதிரி இருக்கும். Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
சரி. இது வந்து ஒரு ஓவரால் ஐடியா போட்டிருக்கு உங்களுக்காக. லாஸ்ட் இயர்ல கூட இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோரி மாதிரி didn't teach because time was very limited. உங்களுக்காக கொஞ்சம் நல்ல ஸ்டோரி எல்லாம் போட்டு கொஞ்சம் டீடைலா படிச்சிருக்கோம். So one thing I would like to ask you, did you finish up to here? Notes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இது வந்து ஒரு brief idea. Now we are going to learn each heading separately. How to calculate cash flow from operating activities. Net result, net effect in each heading can be cash flow from or cash used in. Here also, cash flow from investing activities. What will be the net effect, children? It can be either
Plus or minus.
cash flow from or cash used in. So in financing activity, net effect, it can be either
Cash flow from or cash used in.
Or
Yes.
cash use.
அவ்வளவுதான் cash flow from or cash. ஒரு சுமார் ஒரு ஐடியா உங்களுக்கு வந்திருக்கு. Okay. Now we are going to learn step by step. A, B, C. D எல்லாமே ஈஸியா இருக்கும், சும்மா ஆட் பண்ணியே போதும். E will be directly given the question. F is coming automatically, isn't it? See how we are getting F? This is the F is the net effect of this last two column, the last two amounts, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
DF எல்லாம் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ABC தான் கொஞ்சம் டீடைலா படிக்கணும். படிச்சா உங்களுக்கு சாப்டர் நல்லா படிச்ச மாதிரி. Okay. First step என்னது? Cash flow from operating activities. It is only for this step we will take little more time. B can be learned with less time. C also we will learn less time. But for learning A, it will take little bit more time. ஒரு class கூட mix பண்ணாதீங்க. Okay. We can start with the small problems. Okay, children? Okay. So eighth concept is a bird's eye view, a summary of cash flow statement. Ninth concept, after ninth concept only we can start some problem. There are two types of companies in this world. You might have learned from business studies. There are two types of companies all over the world. What are those? Anybody can say the answer? Financing companies and non-financing companies. So what are the two types of companies? Two types of business enterprises? Non-financial, number one. Number two, financial.
Non-financial company.
So first we should give importance to non-financial, because more transactions are coming in non-financial. So companies are divided into, better to say business enterprise. Company is a form of organization. Better to say business enterprise. Because according to the nature of business enterprise, certain activities coming in operating activities. For example, some operating activities for non-financial enterprise may be operating activities. Some operating activities for non-financial enterprise may be financing activities, depending on the type of the company. So for example, operating activities of financing company may be non-operating activity for financing company. That is not a complicated matter. Just to have an understanding. about the transactions, then you will get a very clear idea. So name the topic. After 5 minutes, we have to close. Time almost over. Name the concept. Before that, you take that page number so that having when you look on that content, you will have some clear idea. The page number 5.9. Children, 5.9. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
அது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு கான்செப்ட். So don't feel bad. We have to copy as it is. It's compulsory. Because if you know this chart very clearly, you can solve the question very easily. Okay, I am typing those activities. What's the title, children? Classification of
Classification of business activities as per.
type on same to same. It's compulsory, children. Don't feel bad. It's compulsory. We need that. Classification of business activities. First is operating activity. Copy as it is. Okay. Operating activities. There. More understanding is required only for operating activities. See, for investing activity and financing activity, there is no classification of business into financing or non-financing. You understanding? Some changes I am suggesting certain words. In case of non-financial companies, so what is my suggestion? Don't put companies. Yes, all the business are not companies. Can you say that a grocery shop is a company?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There are single persons business, sole trading business, partnership business, society, company. So why we have to use the word company? That word will confuse you. So use pencil and strike off the word. Don't use pen. Companies, and you have to use the word enterprise. வியாபாரம். கம்பெனிஸ்னு போடக்கூடாது. எங்க எல்லாம் கம்பெனிஸ் போட்டிருக்கீங்களோ அது கட் பண்ணி என்ன போடணும்?
Enterprise.
Enterprise.
Can be sole trader, partnership, society. Sometimes only company. அந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் change. Same to same chart we can prepare. Anyway, we can prepare the chart after noting your attendance. Okay, time over. சுமார் ஐடியா வந்திருக்கா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? அளவரே only after finishing operating activity we can relax. It will lengthy topic. This on the children, check your attendance before sending to school.
Sir, Kanishka present, sir.
Notebook காமிச்சிருக்கா?
Yes, sir, I'm showing, sir.
Okay. Sure, no response, no notebook. Great. Now we can prepare the chart. Operating activities. அது மட்டும் தான் கொஞ்சம் classification. Cash inflow, cash out. ಈ chart நல்லா படிக்கணும். But I have to explain certain terms. I will explain in the next class. Okay, now only 2 minutes. Certain terms you will not understand, I will explain. Cash inflow. Given the cash outflow. Cash outflow. First one, the operating activities. Cash flow. Keep it colorfully. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
இது புரிந்தா தான்
Yes, sir.
உங்களுக்கு சாப்டர் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். ഈ பேஜ் எல்லாமே நீங்கள் அடிக்கடி ரெஃபர் பண்ண வேண்டி இருக்கு. அதால நல்ல நீட்டா கலர்ஃபுல்லா மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுங்க. Keep it so seriously. In case of non financial enterprise தான் போடணும். கம்பெனி போடக்கூடாது. ஏன்னு போட்டு in case வேண்டாம் 4 ன்னு போட்டா போதும். 4 okay. 4 ன்னு போடுங்க. Because
Yes.
the prefix 4 is coming in the question paper. Maximum. In some case only in case for non finance financial னும் போடலாம் financing னும் போடலாம் ரெண்டுமே சேம். கோலம் மாதிரி கோலம் ஹெட்டிங் கலர்ல எப்படி எல்லாம் போட்டுருக்கு. Try to do in the same way. Here also same only. Okay, so non-financial enterprises allowed. R1 cash sales. Cash sales, you know the meaning. Okay, children, see you the next class. I think 4 o'clock you have exam, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you are getting time, just to go through the previous topics. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.